What's up, guys? This is Everything Pro, and
I'm Unipup from Puppies and Unicorns, and guess what we got? That is just perfect for my channel.
and we got a new puppy right there.
Yeah, and my donkey is my unicorn. So I got a puppy. I actually have 2 puppies and unicorns. So I have 3 donkeys outside.
Yeah, and so she's a great Pyrenees. Her name is Hope, and she really likes napping a lot. She naps a lot.
Hi.
She ate a little bit of food, and this is her favorite toy.
His name's Bob.
Squeezes like this. Oh, she's trying to lick me or something.
Look, this is Bob.
Mm-hmm.
Whee! Bite my tail. She really likes to bite the wings.
So,
This is her red bone. You do not like it, but I love it. Can I
So-
sniff on this red bone? No.
so
she
we'll
loves it.
see y'all on a clip. We'll clip it. Make a little flash, and we'll see y'all with her playing with the stuff and stuff.
Yeah, in the
So-
pasture.
Okay. We'll see y'all. Okay, we're back, and Hope is gonna. I think she's gonna take a bathroom break.
Yeah, because I heard her whining, and I think that means she has to go to the bathroom. Oh, I can hear a cat from our last video.
Yeah. It's
Well,
Luna,
after
the cat.
the last video.
It's Luna, the cat.
Now she is humongous now. Like not humongous, but she's pretty big and heavy. No, she's not heavy.
We'll show you. Somewhere under this.
Or it might be Tabby. Wait, no, it's over here.
Oh, there's Tabby right there.
Where's Tabby?
I don't know. She's right there behind you. Okay. And it's back to Hope. She can walk around if she wants to.
Yeah, I have to
Oh,
take her. I have to
she barked.
I have
She
to take her
barked.
to the field because she over here. But don't let her get out of the car because when she gets under the car, I'm scared.
She's walking around and stuff. Smelling some stuff because this is a new place. This is her first day here, so.
She went pee.
So she's getting used to all this stuff.
We're gonna
Because she's about to live here for a
We're
long
going
time.
to tell her and promise that we're going to be in the pasture.
No, not in the pasture. The donkeys will probably stomp on it. And there's Luna the cat. She got bigger. She used to be a little tiny kitty. Now she's grown. There's Tabby the cat. See? Luna's grown a little.
She has such little legs for such a big dog.
I know.
There's her daddy. There's her new daddy crying over there.
Yeah, that's Samson. He's our dog. He used to be our only dog until he got hurt. It was basically to keep Samson in company, have a buddy and stuff.
Also, we got her to protect our animals from predators. She's a hunting dog.
Yeah, Great Pyrenees when she grows up.
Look at Luna. She's going like, what is that cute ball of
There's a
fur?
bug on me. I don't care. It's just a bug.
I don't like bugs.
You can hold the camera for now. I'll go put Samson.
Hey. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, bug. Hey, Luna. Do you like cameras? Want to play with your bell and your collar? Okay. Oh, hi there. Luna, it's just a puppy. What's so scary about a puppy?
Here's Samson.
And he is huge.
Yeah, he weighs in
Don't tell.
why not? I can tell. It's just a dog. He weighs in about 100 or more pounds. He's like a puppy. You weigh 20 pounds already.
Yeah, and my dad could carry him like this, and he was so tiny, like as big as his belly.
Now he's huge.
He
And he's
first
really
called
big.
Snowball. He wanted to call Hope that. It looks like Luna's in strike for a fight. Whoa.
Now, make sure to stop the video soon.
I just paused it so I could show Samson Hope. Hey Samson, you remember Hope? Your friend for just a few seconds.
So here's Hope,
Samson
meeting
and Hope.
Samson. And,
Actually, they met before, but they don't really like each other that much.
but it looks like they come now, so. Should this come to an end? Okay, I guess this can come to an end. Bye guys, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you think that was cute, but pretty obvious that it is.
Don't miss part 2 about her in the backyard and
I
pasture.
don't think we're going to do that, but
We
maybe.
should do it.
And you want to say bye, Madeline?
Bye, subscribe, and comment if you want me to have some good videos, because I'm like a terrible YouTuber.
Yeah, just 3 subscribers. And
About 4. I guess 4. Should be 4 by now. 5.
Hope, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Okay, so we'll see y'all guys. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see y'all later in our next video.
Oh, she's
Bye-bye.
a big girl.